SterlingCool is what we're going to talk about today. I've had it at my table for 1 year. I'm just now replacing it. If you're not using SterlingCool, I don't know what you're using. I've tried Borax. I've tried cheap products off Amazon. I'm not actually sponsored by SterlingCool. Making a video, honest review on their product. This is not a metal cleaning product. So if you do put dirty metal on there from the steel yard that's covered in grease, say your hands turn dark brown or black from the grease that's on it, you put that on this table, it's going to make your table filthy. That's okay, but some people complain that the blue goes away in the SterlingCool quickly. The blue is not what keeps your table cool, not what keeps your table from molding. This stuff stops your fluid from molding, helps your metal from warping. It also turns your slag into like little BBs, which makes it a lot easier to clean. There's a lot of stuff about this that I like. When I had other products like Borax, I had a lot of like crystallization on my table. Here's my table. The only thing I did was vacuum it out, shovel everything out. No wiping it down or anything. This stuff is great. About this product, again, it's not a cleaning agent. So if you have dirty metal, it's not going to clean it. If your metal is dirty, it will kind of make all of the dirt kind of turn into like a foam to make it easier to scrape it off the top of your table. I've seen a lot of people use fish nets like for like an aquarium. I've seen them scoop it off with that, or a piece of wood or a piece of metal, just scrape it off the top. For the price, and you can mix this 20 to 1 to 10 to 1. My tank that I pump this into, about 65 gallons is what I use for my table. I run it through an Intex filter, put it in a tank, storage tank, just to stop from having to add water. The chemical itself, the SterlingCool, does not evaporate. The water that you add to the SterlingCool for the mixing ratio does evaporate. So if you put this in your table and you don't have a storage tank and your fluid evaporates, it's your concentration is still in there. Just add more water. Again, if you're not using SterlingCool, I don't know what you're doing. Try it. For the price, SterlingCool is worth it.